This Towering Pines real estate property video is presented by Nanney Partners. Adorable 3-bedroom home in the sought-after Village Acres neighborhood. Master suite and 2 additional bedrooms. 2 baths. Eat-in kitchen and formal dining that could be a playroom, office, you decide. Laminate flooring installed in living and dining room in 2016. Home was painted in 2016 and the home was given a new roof in 2017. Homeowner is currently working on new deck boards in back. Large backyard with great privacy. Or enjoy your morning coffee on the front porch. Deep single-car garage. All conveniently located, making shopping, dining, schools, and life a breeze. For more information, review the details below or contact Nanney Partners at 910